UniMac is our really robust line of equipment that we sell to hotels, nursing home, correctional, fire departments, and a host of lists of other people. Those folks use the machines, where a laundromat may only use, the machine may get used 3 to 5 times a day. These things are getting used 8, 10, 12 times a day or more. Because of that, they have to have robust components in it. The water valves are a brass, not a plastic. They're very robust. Water's corrosive. They will need to get replaced, the internal guts replaced every now and then, but they're very robust. So we do see water valves. A lot of that is just because of hard water, calcification, etc. We also see drain valves. Drain valves, depending on what you're washing, you wouldn't believe the crazy stuff that we pull out of it. We've pulled knives, forks, false teeth. We've pulled, clothing, different pens, safety pens, all kinds of stuff that people don't check in pockets. They get caught in that drain over time. So, drain valves, water valves, not as much on the door locks, but we do occasionally see door lock issues. They've really beefed up their design of that. If you go over to the dryer side, igniters, burners, ignition wires, those are more kind of consumable type parts because over time they just kind of wear out, but keeping it clean can make a big difference in terms of water leaks. We're not getting them on motors. We're keeping lint out of things. We're not building up in heat and causing major components to fail prematurely. On our UniMac and our UW line, we're able to offer a standard 3-year parts warranty and a 10-year bearing warranty. But for not much money at all, to be frank, we're able to offer a 5-year bumper-to-bumper parts warranty, which a lot of our customers take advantage of. Is let's just go ahead and warranty this thing out for 5 years. It's not hour-based, it's time-based, and some of our customers, when they're using them, 18, 20 hours a day, they're really taking advantage of the time factor versus the hour meter to be able to have those extended warranties. So, very comfortable that the bearings are going to last, very comfortable that the parts are going to last 5+ years before they have major. Otherwise, the cost to go to those 5 years would be expensive, and it's, to be frank, it's really not. And so it's a good insurance policy for not much money if you had an electrical strike or something happen that's outside of normal operating.